अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। नहमदुहू व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम। अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। उदखुलू फिस्सिल्मि काफ़ा। सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम। My dear respected teachers and friends, Allah Almighty has made this world successful with Islam. The teaching, characters and spirit of Islam are shown in the Quran. My dear brothers, make your happiness Islamic, make your character Islamic, make your behavior Islamic, make your lifestyle Islamic, make your life Islamic, make your attitude Islamic, make your thinking and thought Islamic, and avoid bad politics and hatred. Even if you thought politics and economy, then God will help you. God will help you. God will definitely help you. The Quran says, Udkhulu fis-silmi kafa. O peoples, enter the Islam completely. Adopt the religion of Islam completely. Then what will happen? وَكَانَ حَقًّا عَلَيْنَا نَصْرُ الْمُؤْمِنِينَ. God Almighty will definitely help you. My dear brothers, beware of imitating the infidels. Avoid imitating others. Avoid the ways of the Jews and Christians. Avoid the custom of the British and Jews. O Muslim, it is time to return to your Allah. It is still time to return to your Prophet. It is still time to return to your religion. It is still time to return to your ancestor. Otherwise, remember that you will seek peace, but you will not find it. You will seek honor, but you will not find it. You will seek success, but you will not find it. But you will not find it. The infidels will attack you. The infidels will kill you. The infidels will overwhelm you. The infidels will force you. Will not be able to make your own decision. My dear brothers, this is a loss to abandon to your religion. May Allah grant us the strength to remain faithful to our religion. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.